everyone, I'm Katie. I'm one of the hearing care assistants.
Carry on.
One of the hearing care assistants here at Audiology Associates.
My name is Taylor Green. I didn't know who was going first. I was going next then. My name is Taylor Green. I'm one of the other audiologists here at Audiology Associates.
My name's Reece Barber. The other one just jumped up and bit me. Other audiologists here at Audiology Associates. We need a bigger green screen, guys.
Yeah, definitely.
Too squashed.
So show me all sit like this.
I know, yeah.
So I just think it's my videos here today in the compilation, is it what it's called?
Just the one?
Just
yeah.
the one. So yeah, we're just here to make our numbers up.
We're showing our support.
I think this one was a deep skin peel, if I'm correct.
Oh, it's mushy, isn't it?
Yeah, so I didn't quite know what to begin with here because of the consistency. I was like, if, water could have flushed it out a bit easier, but there was no gap. So I thought, is that water gonna be able to get behind it and do what it needs to do? So I just stuck at the suction for now.
Yeah.
Obviously you can see that little gap, but I wasn't going beyond that. Just trying to get a size and just get a peel, but
you can see the skin going around that top section there now, can't you? Difficult to see when you first look at this. The wax could be covering a load of skin. So until you start suctioning, you realise what's actually made up.
yeah,
Is that solid as well?
it was.
It does look pretty hard to be fair.
Yeah, it was no giving that. But they said that the patient had said that they'd used oil, but only like the night before, I think, or the day before. But
Oh, that is solid skin, isn't it? Look at that. You can see the
Rosen
whole
and
thing.
insert there and then. Oh.
Yeah, I was in the right hook, straight down the middle.
yeah,
Forbidden donut.
I'm only what's the little tool that's your favourite one? I can't remember the name now.
That's the Rosen inserter.
Oh yeah, that's the only one I like using for the manual tools at the moment.
Nah, you get used to them.
No, I'd say the right hook is my favourite because it's kind of a bit like a Rosen inserter, but it's got a bit more rigidity to it, so you can kind of dig into it a little bit more.
Yeah, it's not so flimsy, is it?
No.
Yeah, if it's absolutely solid and it's no space at all, you will find the hooks are better because it's like I said, it's thicker, less flexibility.
Yeah, I think it just was because obviously you could have gone up in that little gap in the middle, but because I didn't have a clear view of how close the drum was beyond,
And that's exactly what
it was
should be.
just let's not just go poking.
Yes, most definitely. Yeah, most definitely. But it's coming away. What you're doing here is detaching it from the canal wall. So you're unpeeling that skin from the canal wall.
Yeah, you've definitely got a good grip on the canal.
Yeah, well, it always does because sometimes these will come out and they'll be almost like a perfect cast of the canal.
Yeah. That's the ideal situation with these, isn't it?
Yeah.
You want it all to come out in one go.
And that's where people go, oh, size on
Oh, there it comes.
In fairness, everyone's been very complimentary about Katie in the comment section. I do see a few of them pop up on my phone and stuff after it's gone live, and I did see a few people saying, well done, you did a good job there.
Yeah, I do appreciate that all. And it's nice as well because I can look back then and see my own progress.
Do you know what? I was thinking this the other day. By the time we get to Waxment this year, you've had a few months under your belt of doing this. I mean, how well you've done so far is just amazing. And this is, I think this is where it makes the difference. If you've got a good team around you that can really kind of push you along and support you along, and you've got that kind of mentoring bit and being able to look back, I think this is a really good tool to look back on, to look at how you've done things between two of us, and we'll go, well actually, like we've all said, I would have gone Rosen and Insert. There's no right answer to it, but we've all got our own little kind of ways we do things, and it's easy to learn sometimes.
Definitely good for training purposes.
Yeah, I agree.
I'd be interested to go back onto my my first video.
So we should do that.
Yeah.
Do you know what, I think have you ever seen the first ones I ever did back in the day? I think they were black and white.
When you just voiced over.
I was just most of it was just voiced over. I think the first ever one I did face to camera. Oh my! I'm just like a robot. Just sat there. This is a piece of wax, and I'm grabbing this piece with this tool now, and it's just really monotonous all the way through. Yeah. Don't go back and look, guys. It's not worth it.
Honestly. There's a lot to go back and look through.
It's quite scary.
We're almost up to 1200 one now, I think.
No way.
So I think this is 185. I think this one.
I think I did my.
Look at that.
I know. It was just coming and coming.
Look at that. Oh, you didn't get a ribbon.
I think I did, but
no. Why is everyone else getting ribbons, not me?
But it wasn't a very long one, but it was my first one. I'm sure it all comes away as one. Because I just kept grabbing it.
Oh, that's a nice one. God, that was deep, wasn't it? Look at that.
A lot deeper than I expected.
Yeah.
Good job though. Fair play.
And I seen that little bit of skim there, I thought, no more.
Yeah. You really want that just to snap now and come away. Just
because it's just there, like everything else, obviously.
Yeah.
That's not causing any of it, just come away nice and easy.
There we go. Yeah, that's good. You can see the eardrum perfectly clearly there. Brilliant.
You could see the little shake because at the end of the video, like.
It gets really tiring, to be honest. You hover and you like. A lot of people have asked in the comments, like, do you rest your arms on anything when you're doing these procedures? But it's all, I say freehand. You know, we're not resting our arms on anything. No.
So the patient showed like this. Just don't stay still a minute.
It's for safety as well, because if your hands are like kind of fixed somewhere and then the patient was to jump, you know, you've got no or not much movement to pull away basically.
But one thing I have noticed is obviously like we got a brace when we use any tools. Is that when a patient has like jumped, they always away.
Yes.
I've never had one come at me yet.
No,
you probably won't.
Yeah, no, it's instinctive. We move away from whatever it is this caused causes jump in the first place. Yeah, I don't think I've had any that have moved towards me. I've had some quite difficult, and I've abandoned, not many, but I have abandoned before if the patient is flinching too much, because it's just dangerous for you to, you know, at the end of the day you've got that patient's best interests at heart and you want to do the best by that patient. But if I've got someone, like I've had some people and they are, you know, ultra nervous, which they can't help, but they are literally jumping like this all the time, it's too dangerous to continue sometimes. Yeah,
like, funny enough, I had a patient that was doing that the other day, and I said, look, you know, is it painful? Are you in too much discomfort? And he's like, well, it feels a bit weird, but just get it out.
Yeah.
Just get it out.
Yeah. It is an odd sensation. When you move. Yeah. It is an odd sensation, and I will, you know, sometimes I think the biggest the sort of biggest flinches I've had, I said to him, is that uncomfortable? Because it makes you jump when the patient like physically leaps out of a chair, and I go, no, and you go,
but it's just an instinct, like a natural reaction. We're not saying that we get owls, we're not hurting them, they just react.
It's the noise, it frightens some people.
The one you get sometimes, if you get a grip on a piece of wax and suddenly it detaches and you get that kind of pop up the tube, that makes a couple of people jump sometimes.
Makes me jump as well.
Yeah. So we're getting there.
Yeah, this one it's just mush.
Yeah, it's a lot harder, isn't it?
And it was like that, I just couldn't like see that little cartilage there just closing down in. I just had to kept moving out the way. I was worried that it was hurting the patient, but you know, they didn't say that they could feel it or it wasn't bothering them then that I was doing so. So I always make sure that the patient, you know, is comfortable really.
Yeah, it's always paramount what we're doing.
Yeah.
You know, now, I mean, looking back now, you can see that little gap at the top there, like a right curette just into that little gap, and just have to push down like that. Would just take the front end off, because what you're trying to do is you're trying to pull in from the sides, but it's almost like a solid block. So, so if you go over the top, you'll take that central scoop out, and then you can fold the sides in.
Okay.
Yeah, that works quite well sometimes.
Just making more gap.
Yeah.
For yourself, really.
Exactly, because you're trying to pull from side to side with not much room in there.
Yeah.
If you can just take a central piece out, then you'll be able to detach from those sides. And what I'll do sometimes is kind of it's like folding, I don't know, like a towel or a t-shirt or something. Just fold one side in, fold the other side in, then take another scoop.
Okay.
Fold, take another scoop. Just keep doing that.
Oh, and sideways, well.
I think we've irrigated.
I
reckon that's where it is.
Yeah.
I did, yeah.
Done some irrigation there, looks like. And it does change. It does sometimes help to change the consistency, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Gives you a little bit of leverage in there. You can see this same as the other side, that dry skin.
Yeah. This was quite a difficult one.
Don't look easy.
Don't quite know why I irrigated that. Don't quite know why I made that choice.
You can be lucky sometimes, I think, and it'll break it apart a little bit. Like sometimes you'll see little bits coming out. And the warm water as well can help to like Reece said, is like kind of change the consistency a little bit.
But I remembered, like we said in the last video we done about the like change of temperature. So I did make sure I waited a little bit. Just told them that. So
yeah, that's good.
But they were all right.
Just in case you missed that, guys, what we're talking about there is something called the caloric effect.
That's the one.
Right? So when you've irrigated somebody, that obviously there's water in the canal. When you go in with a suction, it's going to drop the temperature very, very quickly. So some patients can feel a little bit giddy. So it's best if you just leave it a little bit of time, just to let the temperature equalise. That's looking good. That's what you wanted to see.
Yeah. I think it was because like initially it looked quite.
Ooh, look at that. That's chunky.
Same reaction I had. No, it wasn't. This bit wasn't too bad actually.
Yeah, I think that's going to come away because you've got the big bulk of it out now.
Yeah.
Do you see why it's helpful now? Like you just said, I don't know why I irrigated that there.
But it definitely did.
It did make a difference. Yeah.
Just remove that initial like gooey stuff off the front, so I can just delve in a bit deeper, really. But this piece all comes away in one chunk, I believe.
Yeah, it looks like it's going to go.
Just giving it a roll then over.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice shot as well.
Oh, lovely. Look at that. Perfect.
So we got just over 6 centimetres, 6.5 centimetres.
You're throwing me now, like you're putting the inches on the other way around.
I haven't got the inches ruler.
2.5 inches. I gotta go that one. Haven't you got?
No, I haven't. No.
God, we had loads at one point. We were doing a giveaway at one point. We were doing a sign and send it out to people.
I don't need
it. It was
one.
like 50 quid to send a ruler to somebody in the US, I think. Yeah, so well, guys. No, go on. It's your video. Go for it. Which way are we going to go?
No practice this one.
That's all right.
Well, thanks for watching the video, guys. You go first.
Don't forget to take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another. And we said, I meant to ask you guys, I don't know if I asked you, but video editors, any video video editors out there looking for some extra work, we'd love to hear from you. admin@audiologyassociates.co.uk. They could give me a hand editing these videos up and get, fingers crossed, also get them up to social media for me. That'd be absolutely fabulous. But yeah, I've done that bit. I'm not just, bye.
Not doing anything.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.